Children, I am Vaishali Madam. Let us begin with our new lesson of grammar, lesson number 18, simple present tense. See, simple present tense is a tense that we use when we talk about usual things or the truth or the things that happen in our daily life. Okay. So now let us look at exercise A. Look at these sentences. I like ice cream. So I like ice cream is a statement which says that I like ice cream. Okay. And that is my preference. Number 2 says Shilpi likes vegetable soup. Now it is stating that what Shilpi likes. Number 3 says a washerman washes clothes. So these are the statements that narrate the things that happen in our routine or which are a truth. Okay, which always stands still, which would never change. So now let us come to the blue box. I, we, you, they and all other plural root are used with the root form of the verb. So as you can see in the previous sentences, we said that I like. So I cannot be likes. I like ice cream. Okay. So similarly, coming to the second one, it says he, she, it and all singulars are used with the root form of the verbs adjoined with S or ES. And the third point says used to make general statement like the sun rises in the east. So that's a general statement. So these are the types where simple present tense is used. Now let us start with exercise B. Exercise B says tick the correct verbs. So here the options are given and we have to select the correct verb and put a right tick on it. Now let us look at it. I greet or greets. You have to select out of these two. I dash my friends on their birthday. So now what are we going to use with I? So we again refer to this box. I, we, you, they and all the plurals. We are going to use the root form of the verb. So what is the root form of the verb? Greet, because here S is added. So this is the root form. So we are going to put a tick on greet. Again the next example says you dash delicious idlis and sambar. You make or makes. So again you is used with only the root form of the verb. So you make. So here you are going to put a tick. Now number 3 says she keep or keeps her room neat and tidy. So for he, she, it and all singulars we are going to use the root form plus S or ES. So root form plus S, that is keeps. She keeps her room neat and tidy. Number 4 says my father. My father, how many? Only one. So again singular. So with singular we are going to use root form plus S or ES. So my father plays golf on Sunday. Number 5 says this child. So how many? Singular or plural? Child is singular. So with singular we are going to use, yes, root form plus S. So now is it clear? Like with singular you are using the root form plus S or ES. With plural and I, we, you, they, we are going to use root form. Okay. So now only 5 more are left. 6 and till 10. So I want you all to solve this on your own. Then moving further with exercise C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs given in the bracket in simple present tense. Now the verb is given and we'll have to decide whether we are going to use the root form or we are going to add S or ES. So that we have already studied. Okay. When are we going to use the root form or when are we going to use the root form plus S or ES? Let us try to solve the given examples. Ankita dash a glass of milk before she goes to school. Drink. So Ankita is singular. So with singular, again singular root form plus S or ES. So here drink is given. So drink will become drink plus S, that is drinks. Okay. Example number 2. In Leh, it dash heavily in winter. Leh is a place. This is the verb that we are going to use. It is singular. So snow will become snows. Okay. Snow here is not the physical snow, it's not noun, it is a verb. As it rains, similarly it snows. Okay. It says all important trains. So here trains is plural. Dash at the Abu Road station. So with plural we are going to use just the root form of the word. So stop is given, so we are going to use stop itself. Okay, we are not going to add anything to it. 4 says dogs. So again dogs is plural. Dogs dash their tail when they are happy. Wag, that is move. Okay, move very fast, rapidly. Dogs wag their tail when they are happy. Is Mrs. Mehra. So how many persons? Only one person. Mrs. Mehra dashed the water in the aquarium once in a week. So change will become changes. E is already there at the end, so you are just going to add S. Changes. Okay. So now 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 you will try it on your own. It is very simple and just follow the instructions. Refer to the blue box and complete the exercise. Here also 5 you are going to complete, and in this exercise also 5 you are going to complete, and you will get the correct answers afterwards. We are done with the lesson. Thank you children.